Check out this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: AC, split bench seat, automatic headlights, cruise control, traction control, rear-wheel drive, stability control, power outlet, and intermittent wipers. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.